Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In the recent past, we have been seeing in the news the arrest of Sri Nandigam Suresh Kumar or Sanju Suresh Kumar or Suresh Babu, I think. MP Bapatla, formerly MP Bapatla, and some others in the mob attack on TDP office during the year 2021. In that connection, the case in crime number 650 by 2021 was registered on 19/10/2021 in Mangalagiri Rural Police Station, where the TDP office is located. Of course, number of sections of law were there, that is 147, 148, 323, 506, ultimately altered to 307 of the IPC read with 149. Different sections are there. In this connection, so many people are arraigned as accused. One such accuser, Mr. Avuthu Srinivas Reddy, he is A83. Now, the case law is Avuthu Srinivas Reddy versus the station house officer. And I won the case law Antwarke, Mangalagiri Rural Police Station. That is criminal MP number 6295 by 2024. And also, Nandigam Suresh Babu versus State of AP. So, since both the matters relate to the same facts, the common order was given, releasing them on bail. But the important point is whether non-submission of mobile phones, non-handing over of mobile phones lead to non-cooperation. In other words, దర్యాప్తులో భాగంగా పోలీసులకి సెల్ ఫోన్స్ ఇవ్వాలా, ఇస్తే అది ఆర్టికల్ 20 క్లాజ్ 3కి వ్యతిరేకమవుతుందా, ఇది ప్రశ్న. కోర్ట్ సెడ్ యూ నీడ్ నాట్ గివ్. ఆ డైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పకుండా నాన్ సబ్మిషన్ ఆఫ్ మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ ఈజ్ నాట్ నాన్ కోఆపరేషన్. ఇన్ డిప్లొమాటిక్ లాంగ్వేజ్ దే హ్యావ్ స్టేటెడ్ లైక్ దట్. రైట్, ఒకసారి కేసు పూర్వాపరాలు వెళ్తే ఆల్రెడీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం. ఎఫ్ఐఆర్ నెంబర్ 650 by 2021. సో ది అటాక్ బై వైసీపీ పీపుల్ ఆన్ టీడీపీ ఆఫీస్ ఆన్ 19/10/2021. రైట్. సో ఆ ప్రభుత్వం అధికారంలో ఉండగా ఇదే పోలీస్ అధికారులు ఏమి చేయాల. ఇది విచిత్రమైన పరిస్థితి. రూల్ ఆఫ్ లా, చట్టము ఇవన్నీ చెప్తూ ఉంటాం మీ అందరికీ. Of course, I also worked in the department, but we did not do like that, I'm sure. So, after the changeover of the government, things took a new turn, and now the people started verifying the so-called video footage and adding so many accused persons. So, one such is Mr. Nandigam Suresh Babu, who is the formerly MP of Bapatla. And I think yesterday his police custody is also over. And another person is Avuthu Srinivas Reddy. He is a businessman from Dugiryal area, but now residing in Vijayawada. You might have seen in the press that when Sajjala Ramakrishna Reddy Garu was called to the police station, the same connection, and he was grilled, or he was literally questioned, and the CI, Mr. Srinivasrao, M. Srinivasrao, Mangalagiri Rural, he has given a press statement that the accuser is not cooperative. He refused to surrender his phone. Likewise, same is the case with Leela Apiredi or Talasila Raghuram and people. Now the point is whether non-submission of the mobile phones is non-cooperation to the investigation, because in the case of Nandigam Suresh, the courts held that go and cooperate with the police. Here the important point is what is cooperation. So during the time of interrogation, custodial interrogation, if you say no, తెలియదు, గుర్తులేదు, నాకు తెలియదు అని చెప్పి అంటే, is it non-cooperation? మేము చేసాము, నాతో పాటు ఫలానా వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు అంటే కోఆపరేషనా? నో. Cooperation means he has to answer in a reasonable way to the questions or to the interrogatories put by the police officer. That is what is called cooperation. Another point, non-submission mobile phones. ఈ మాట నిన్న కోర్టులో కూడా వచ్చింది. దాంట్లో గవర్నమెంట్ స్టేటెడ్ దట్ the cell phones were not handed over because the police wish or the police would like to examine the WhatsApp chats and also Google timelines relevant to the case. Unless the phone is there, they can't go for that scientific evidence. But Honorable Justice V.R.K. Krupa Sagar, he stated that inability of the police to obtain mobile phones should not hinder their efforts on the gathering of further electronic evidence. Because Article 20, Clause 3 says doctrine of self-information. So police may ask you, come on, give the password. You need not give. I told you in the famous case of Selli versus State of Karnataka. It is against to Article 20, Clause 3. Likewise, in another case, Delhi High Court, they clearly stated that an accused cannot be forced to disclose the passwords of his mobile phone. And so many case laws Justice V.R.K. Sagar cited. Like P. Chidambaram versus CBI, 2019. Manish Sisodia versus Director of Enforcement, 2024. So many cases are there. Therefore, it is clearly held that even though the persons were arrested on 4/9/2024, even though they do not hand over their mobile phones, it should not be a hamper on the part of the investigation. Because as per Article 20, Clause 3, if they volunteer, it's okay. If they do not volunteer and refuse to hand over the phones, police cannot do anything. Very, very important case law. Please read it and definitely it will be useful to you on one day or the other. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.